Hi, this is Shelley Schwartz. I'm a retail architect at Applexus. And prior to joining Applexus, I was at SAP for 13 years in the retail group. We're going to talk about SAP's Customer Activity Repository today. It has essential and extensive capabilities to support a retailer's omni-channel planning and management. But there are two overall areas where Applexus has improved CAR's business value. First is the improved functionality and user experience through Applexus's store and payment reconciliation solutions. The second area is predictive decision-based analytics through Applexus's CAR analytics applications. In this session, we'll focus on the Applexus solutions to support additional functionality for the end users to manage their day-to-day tasks and extend CAR for both store and payment reconciliation. First, let's talk about store reconciliation. Retailers typically need to manage many stores with multiple types of transactions, sales, returns, gift cards, coupons, taxation, that need to be reconciled by store by day. Currently, CAR's standard user interface, the POS workbench, provides reconciliation through balancing information that is difficult to access and doesn't necessarily give the types of balancing among tender types and over shorts that many auditors want to see for their business and see it easily. And the store day balancing tab within CAR isn't simple to access or effectively use in that POS workbench. So the standard CAR interface requires additional manual efforts to complete the reconciliation. These challenges are fully addressed by the Applexus Store Reconciliation solution. It improves how auditors manage the sales audit balancing process for stores at an overview level instead of deep diving into the standard CAR interface. Store reconciliation can be easily configured, allowing for maximum flexibility and use by each retailer to view their balancing information differently, while also providing the ability to drill down to individual transactions within CAR for full visibility into the details of the out-of-balance transactions directly. What's more, it also comes with a new Fiori-based front end to the CAR POS workbench, making it much easier to use than the current CAR user interface. With this new functionality, sales auditors can check the new store reconciliation front end first to be sure everything is balanced, and users only need to directly drill down to the exact problematic transactions to manage any out-of-balance issues. Now let's talk about the payment reconciliation add-on solution. Standard SAP and CAR do not offer any support for reconciling information from payment service providers like First Data or Certegy to individual customer credit card, checks, gift card transactions, other transactions, to those individual sales transactions for all sales channels. It just doesn't exist. With non-cash transactions representing a larger and larger portion of retailers' transactions, this poses a considerable challenge for business operations. There are only a couple of options available today: manual reconciliation, significant programming and customization within SAP, and outside third-party solutions. Manual in-house payment reconciliation is slow, prone to errors, and more data makes this almost impossible these days. Moreover, locating the individual out-of-balance transactions can be quite difficult. Some retailers have built custom code within SAP ECC or S4 to manage this reconciliation, but that means significant support and efforts for custom code and for SAP upgrades. Some retailers have relied on third-party solutions outside of SAP and CAR for this added capability. These solutions can be expensive and slower, sending data to the third party for processing to accomplish the reconciliation and getting reports later. This is where Applexus payment reconciliation helps by automating the reconciliation between multiple payment service processors' data and the CAR omni-channel sales data directly. It allows retailers to manage incoming data feeds from payment gateways and automatically performs the detailed transaction reconciliation with the sales transaction. It provides a complete payment reconciliation capability right within the CAR solution itself. Applexus Payment Reconciliation provides side-by-side comparison of the omnichannel sales transactions and payment processor data that accelerates reconciliation with increased accuracy and efficiency. The reconciliation can be done by store, by day, with the ability to drill down to the individual transactions. As I said before, this reconciliation process doesn't exist either in SAP or CAR today. But with our payment reconciliation solution, you'll have the right solution directly in CAR for immediate matching of payment data for all sales channels. And you can be assured that any issues such as duplicate or missed payments can be found and remediated quickly. These two solutions extend the CAR sales audit process to be far more efficient and effective for the users. Thank you.